Columbiana County, Ohio, and Beaver County, Pennsylvania, and Hancock County, West Virginia. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Carroll County in east central Ohio, Columbiana County in east central Ohio, northern Jefferson County in east central Ohio, northern Tuscarawas County in east central Ohio, Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, Hancock County in northern West Virginia, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:17 p.m., severe thunderstorms were detected along a line extending from 9 miles north of Columbiana to Bolivar, and were moving east at 30 miles per hour. This line of storms is capable of producing hail up to the size of quarters and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Homeworth, Bolivar, Strasburg, Dover, Salem, Mineral City, Malvern, East Rochester, Latonia, Guilford Lake State Park, Columbiana, Sherrodsville. This is a dangerous line of storms. Move into a sturdy building and avoid windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.